Hi there, everyone. So, for one of this week's review activities, what I'd like you to do is create an email signature. So, an email signature is a great way for you to have a professional sign off to all of your emails. And this way, you don't have to type it each time, and it communicates to whoever's reading your email who you are and potentially what program you're in, and that you are an SLC student. So to do this, what you'll need to do is go to your slc.me page, and you're going to scroll down to your email, Outlook email. Once you've clicked here, we're going to wait for it to load. Forgive my computer, it's taking a little while right now. Here we go. And once you have come to your email screen, you're going to come over along the top bar here to the settings. And we're going to click down here to view all Outlook settings. So under the mail option, you'll see a list of actions that you can do. We're going to come up here to the compose and reply section. Once you click here, as it loads, but once you click here, the box for email signatures will automatically pop up. So as you see now, it's coming up here, email signature. And this is the box we're going to use to create a signature that will be automatically added to your email messages. So this is what I want you to see is my email signature that I've already created. Looks like I need to update this one from the last time I did it. So I'm going to just quickly change this out. And this is the box where you're going to create your signature. So mine's already here. So I'm going to move up here a little bit, and I'm going to type in what I'd like you to write. So for an email signature as a student, you're basically just going to want to include your first name and your last name. Okay, and then down here as your second line, you're going to want to say that you are a CICE student, and you could leave it at that, CICE student, or if you'd like to include your program of interest, that's good too. So what's going to happen now is that every email that you sign off on or that you send, forward, reply to, is going to automatically have this attached to the bottom of the email. You do not have to type it every time, which is a way to actually save some time for yourselves as well. So you can also play around with the look of your signature if you'd like. You can see mine has some different colors here and some bolding. So there's your bold if you'd like to bold your last name. Maybe you'd like to bold and make your program of interest a different color here. So I'm going to leave that options up to you. Just remember, if you're going to choose color, I would stay away from yellow and anything that's too bright or difficult to read. Just choose something nice and subtle. And once you're done, you're going to come here, make sure you say, automatically include my signature on new messages that I compose, and automatically include my signature on messages I forward and reply to. And then we're going to come down here and click Save. So now, once I've clicked Save, it's saved my signature, and I can now edit this. Now, when I go to write a new message, mine's going to look funny because I'm going to have two signatures, but I'll show you. Now, when I go to write a new message, you'll see here, that is already a part of my new mail message, and I don't have to type it each time. So what I'd like you to do for this week is create an email signature. That's all for now.